Hello and very good morning friends, this is Supal Rajwade and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. Guys, as usual, as every day I am going to tell you the importance of English. All of you know that English is a global language, English is a worldwide language, so that's why everybody wants to become fluent speaker in English. Am I right? Yes, I am right. Am I right? Yes, I am right. So guys, if you really want to become successful in his life, or if you want to really become fluent speaker in his life, then please be consistent, be mad, because you know that consistency is the key of success. I repeat again, listen to me carefully. Consistency is the key of success. If you really want to become successful in his life, then please be consistent. With consistency, you can achieve anything, whatever you want. My friend, my dear friend, guys, listen to me carefully. If you really want to get that thing which you have not got till date, then you will have to do all those things which you have not done till date. I repeat again, if you want to get that thing which you have not got till date, then you will have to do all those things which you have not done till date. Because when the dreams are yours, the desires are yours, then how can you expect that anyone will cannot get you succeed? So I would like to say to all of you that don't comparison to yourself to others. Guys, I think all of you are listening to me and through this video clip. Guys, I would like to say that when the dreams are yours, the desires are yours, then how can you expect that anyone will come and get you succeed? Please be consistent, and with consistency you can beat anybody, or anything, whatever you want. Because I know that you have a amazing power. I know that you have a amazing power, and with the help of the power of subconscious mind, you can achieve anything, guys. This is the fact. 1 minute. So guys, my next topic is, if you want to become singer, if you want to become politician, if you want to become YouTuber, if you want to become businessman, yeah, maybe if you want to become a serviceman, if you want to become smart, if you want to become what to say, if you want to become a motivational speaker, whatever you want. So if you so you have to be passionate about it. You got it, my friend? Yes, you got it. You have to be passionate about it, because if you not passionate about it, then how can you get succeed? This is the fact. So please be consistent. Thank you.